Hello, children. We'll start with moral science syllabus for the second unit test. It's chapter number 6 and chapter number 7. So, we'll begin with chapter number 6, that is win over loneliness and depression. Now, these are few brainstorming questions. Here, children, you have to give your own personal answer. Can a person be alone in a crowd? Does loneliness affect peace and happiness? Now, these are my opinions. First one is yes. Second one is again yes. Do you enjoy being alone? According to me, it's no. Being with friends is better than being alone? Yes. Is loneliness good for health? No. Do you enjoy being with friends? Yes. Is loneliness and solitude the same? No. Can we utilize solitude somehow? Yes. Now we'll read about this picture. It's said that a recent study conducted among 3 million people shows that loneliness shortens our lifespan. The study found that loneliness is very dangerous. Like it's dangerous like obesity and smoking. Moreover, if you are lonely, you may have high blood pressure and gastrointestinal problems. So these are also caused by loneliness. Further, one experiment which was conducted by the psychologist on very successful people was that the most important factor for their success was their positive thinking. So we should always think positive. Now we'll read about what actually loneliness is. It's a feeling of isolation or lacking the companionship. And at the base of loneliness, we feel that we are unwanted in our family and in the society. The most amazing aspect of loneliness is that it does not mean that you are alone or you are shut in a dark room. You can also experience loneliness when you are among your friends or when you are in a crowd. Now, some points to deal with loneliness. Now, this from here we can also form a question: How can you deal? How can you deal with loneliness? So here you can choose any 5 points of your own choice. There are 6 points. You can write any five depending on the marks of the question. So number one is we can comfort ourselves with the thought that we are not alone, and there are many who can understand, appreciate, advise, and guide us through the life. Now, number two, we should get involved in various activities, like we should look for the activities that we are interested in. For example, like reading the books or joining some book clubs, arts clubs, sports clubs, religious groups, political campaigns, concerts, and exhibitions. So we can join the group of our own choice. Then we should know the difference between what is loneliness and what is solitude. So, loneliness is actually when you are unhappy to be alone, whereas solitude is when you are happy to be alone. So, that's the basic difference between the two. Next point is when you are in solitude, you learn new things, you develop new skills, like you read books, you practice writing, etc. And this can help you when you are in solitude. Now, another point is then we should make our habit to think about the welfare of other people. We should always think about doing good for others. So, we should focus on the needs and the feelings of others and not on our own loneliness. We should also keep ourselves positive or cultivate positive thoughts, and because we are what we think we are, so we should enjoy the beauty of life. Now we'll read about a story. This is a story where the teacher picks up a glass of water and he holds it in his hand, and then he asks the students that what do you think like is the weight of this glass. So he got different answers from the children, like maybe 50 grams, 100 grams, or 125 grams. So I really don't know unless I weigh it, said the teacher. So teacher said that I cannot, just by looking at the glass, I cannot say what is the weight of the water. I have to weigh it actually. But my question is, what would happen if I held it like this for a few minutes? Nothing, the student said. Okay, what would happen if I held it like for an hour? Again, the teacher asked the same question. So the student said that your arm will start paining. So the teacher said that right, you are absolutely right. Now, if I'm holding the same glass for a day, what will happen? So the student said that your arm could go numb. You might have severe muscle stress, and you may also have paralysis, and you have to go to the hospital for sure. Again, he said, very good. But during all this, did the weight of the glass change? That was a question by the teacher. And the student said, no, sir, it is not going to change. So then what caused the arm ache and muscle stress? So now the students, they were puzzled. So what should I do to come out of the pain? Again, the teacher asked the question. So the student said that, sir, you should put the glass down. So exactly this is what the teacher said, and he placed the glass on the table. So the main motive of giving this example of water was that the problems in our life are just like this glass of water. If you hold it for a few minutes in your head, they seem to be okay. Then, if you are holding them for a longer time, begins to ache. And if you are holding it for a little longer, it may paralyze you, and you won't be able to do anything. So he said that it's very important for us, because these problems and challenges, they are the part of the life. But what is more important for us is to put them down at the end of every day before we are going to sleep. And if you do that, you will not be stressed, and again the next morning you'll wake up fresh and strong. So this is the way of holding any issue or any challenge which comes our way. So I hope everybody must have understood the story. Now let's go through the questions. How is loneliness related to health? We've already read that loneliness, it shortens the lifespan, and it is very dangerous, just like obesity and smoking. And it also gives us high blood pressure problems and some gastrointestinal problems. What is loneliness? Loneliness is just a feeling of isolation, or a feeling of lack of companionship. And we also know that, like somebody who's lonely, he feels that he is unwanted, maybe in a family or in the society. And the difference between loneliness and solitude is that loneliness is when we are unhappy to be alone. Whereas, if you think about solitude, it is when one is happy to be alone. So now there are two questions given here, the quotes actually, where you have to give your own view. Loneliness does not come from having no people around you, but from being able to communicate the things that seem to be important to you. And the second one is, loneliness will steal years from your life and life from your ears. So for both the questions, you have to give your personal view. So here we finish the chapter. I hope everybody must have understood. Thank you, children.